Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? As usual, I hope you're doing really good and you're having a great day. Today we're just gonna work with inventory basically, and and armors and stuff. So we're gonna keep adding on stuff to this game. Yes, but before we get started, please check out the description box. Just open it up like that, like nicely, and then you got a bunch of useful links down there. Follow us on Discord, Twitter, my support page, and then you can drop a like, subscribe if you want to do that. It's all good. So let's just get started. Sorry about all the sounds. Let's see. So what I want to do, what I did last video was I made a way to kind of add a weapon to character and kind of switch the weapon out. Okay, so you can get a weapon, you can add a weapon, and in inventory basically we can replace an item, and that's cool, that's great and all. But what we need to do in character set weapon, let's see, get weapon, character inventory state, right here. This is where we did stuff. Okay, so this is where we checked if the equipment is a weapon or an armor. But what we have to do is we need to actually create a class for armor. That's what I want to do now. Create a new item, C++ class, or wait, add new class. Just use the class wizard and we'll call it armor, virtual destructor, whatever, base class item, and we're just gonna run this. And boom, we got an armor class. Now I'm just gonna turn everything else off that we don't really need. I'm just gonna turn all of this off. Okay, we'll just keep armor here. Armor inventory, no, item, like this. Now I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna open weapon.h and I'm just gonna cheat. Weapon.h. We need clone, we need this, and we need this. So I'm just gonna copy that, go into here, and just paste these. But I need to change armor and armor, and then we'll keep all this stuff, armor, clone, and then toString. That's fine. And then I'm gonna cheat by copying the CPP files from weapon as well, just like that. Let's see, CPP files. Let's just copy the whole thing into armor.cpp like this. So this isn't gonna make much sense, but we need to change armor here into all this stuff. We'll keep that armor. Actually, I'll remove that and these two like this. Armor. So you see, I'm just switching out every weapon here to armor. Remove that. That's pretty much it. So armor.h is gonna remove those as well. Armor destructor, remove those, and create a private section here. So there you go. Now we have an armor item. Okay, pretty much we got an armor item. So let's start off with the most basic attribute of all, defense, basically, and we're just gonna say int defense here, and also create an accessor for it. So inline const int defense, get defense, like that, const is inline, so return this defense. Okay, pretty much. So yeah, now there we go. Am I even recording? Yes. So we got defense going. We can return it. We can do stuff with it. I'm just gonna go into armor CPP, add it in the CPP file here. This defense equals defense. Boom. Okay, that's cool. So now we got that. Now we need to fix the toString, and we're gonna add a little defense thing here. Whoops, why do I always do that? This defense, and then type, probably it will say armor, rarity, value, and then we need one more thing because armor is special. So I'm just gonna go ahead in here and I'm gonna create an enum called armor types, and here we're gonna have head equals 0, chest, shoulder, arms, legs, feet, I guess. Is that too much? Is that too many slots for armor? Head, chest, shoulder, shoulders. Let's just say shoulders. We'll have one set of shoulder pads. Arms, legs, feet. Okay. Okay. That seems okay. And then we'll probably have some other trinket class for special attributes. We will add attributes to these, like bonuses to different vitality and all that stuff. So that's kind of cool. But for now, this should be fine. So armor.cpp defense. Then we also need a armor type. So that's going to be special here, int armor type. And then we'll have type, and then we'll have int armor type. Alright. Should be unsigned, just like the other one. Unsigned. Inline get defense. I'll put it above here. Get armor type. I'll just say like that. And that's the local, so I'll keep it underscored. This armor type. Okay, so we'll get that. Boom. Let me just copy paste that into armor. Like that. Armor type. Let me just cheat by looking at weapon. It's int. Okay, it's int. Cool. Alright, so now I got a subtype thing going here. And yeah, that's nice. All I need is a get armor type, and then I need a inline const, or not an inline, just a const std string, get armor type as string, and then I'm not going to define it here. I'm going to define it in the CPP file like this. Let's go into the armor.cpp, and I should see it here. Functions. Actually, this is functions, and this is accessors. There we go. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to include, up here, I'm just going to include a stream, and also include string. Go back, and then we're gonna actually get the item from item. Where's item.cpp? Right here. So we're just gonna copy that, get type as string. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing, and I'm gonna put it in armor.cpp. So type string error. This armor type class case head chest. Okay, so this is gonna be a little tedious, but we're gonna do this like champs. Chest, shoulders, legs, feet. What else do we have? Armor, head, chest, shoulders, arms, legs, feet. Head, chest, shoulders, arms, legs. Let's just keep it like that. Let's remove feet because we don't want that. We just want the basics. Otherwise it's too much, I think. So head, chest, shoulders, arms, legs. So you go. Now you got armor types. And then boom. All right, so we're just going to return that type string right there. And then we can get it back as a nice little string. So that's cool. Okay, so that's working. That's fine. How long is it? All right, I'm just going to have to end it soon. Pretty much done. Pretty much done. Let's see if we can create an armor item here. Game. Where's game state? Whoops. I hate when I do that. Game state. Enemy. Character.h. Inventory. Okay, inventory.h. I have weapon here, so include armor. All right, armor.h. Sorry, armor.h. And I'm just gonna go ahead into character.h, and I'm gonna create armor here. So armor pointer, armor head, armor pointer, armor chest, armor pointer, armor shoulders, armor pointer, armor arms, armor legs. So that's about it, right? That's all the armor points basically. And then we're just going to say weapon armor. This armor head equals null pointer. Also use null here if you're using code blocks. Like I probably should have told you in the beginning to check out the description box. There's a video linking to how to kind of compile my code in code blocks and Linux. So you can kind of check that out if you want, if you're having problems and errors here. Armor chest equals null pointer. So this is kind of tedious. Arms equals null pointer. This armor shoulders equals null pointer. This armor equals null pointer. Finally, okay, so boom. Okay, we're good. Now I just want to add an armor in here. Armor defense, I'd say maybe 10 defense, and then armor type, what should we say? Head. Helmet. Something. Armor. Okay. So probably we shouldn't have this here. So you can make a armor that is a weapon. That's kind of weird. Anyway, rare. We'll just say common. And maybe give it 200 again. So there you go. That's one type of armor. Let's try another one. Just add a armor for chest, and then chest plate. Armor common. Maybe give it 300. Yeah, maybe give it 15. Something like that. Whoops, 15, please. Thank God. Okay, so now we have some stuff in our inventory. Now, if I run this, we'll see if this works or not. And in the coming videos, I will implement it basically, so we can do stuff. If it worked, if it works. So let's see why this didn't work. Time to see. Chest. Oh, okay. This is armor chest. I'm just gonna put armor in front of everything. No, not here. Let's go to armor. Armor.h. Armor head. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the CPP. Get type a string, armor head, armor chest, armor shoulders, armor legs, everything like that. Cool. And then into character CPP. armor. Whoops. Armor head, armor chest. Okay, there you go. I hope you saw what I did there. I just changed that up because that was the error. Also, I want to put that down there again. Hopefully this will work. Please, please, please work. Please work. God. Okay, there we go. All right. So, oh yeah, I minimized it because it looks better. If you're playing with the game, make sure to minimize your font style. I think I like it. It makes it look a little better. So start game, character menu, inventory, print inventory. All right. So I got a helmet here, defense 10, armor, rarity uncommon, blah blah blah, chest, blah 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 blah. Okay. So if I try to equip an item, say 1. And I show inventory like that, and I go back and into stats. Okay, that's really weird. Show inventory. So it set my sword here. It kind of replaced it and it returned it. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna have to fix that in the coming video. But yeah. For now, thanks for watching so much. I hope you learned something. I hope it was fun. We're going to get a bunch of armors and everything going. So yeah, it's going to be real fun. Thanks for watching. Check out the description box again. Drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Hopefully I'll see you on Discord or on Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Bye-bye.